Here I have Asus Zenfone 10, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to hold down power key, and after this turn off menu appears, hold down your finger on power off, then it proposes you to reboot to safe mode, just tap OK and device will be restarted, just as usual. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. So when you're done using safe mode and want to quit it, all you need to do is to just restart your device and it will be restarted just as usual in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.